In Genesis chapter 12, God calls Abraham to leave his country, his family, and everything he knows to follow him into a new land that he will show him. God promises to make Abraham into a great nation, to bless him, make his name great, and to bless all the families of the earth through him. In obedience, Abraham sets out with his wife Sarai and his nephew Lot, journeying to the land of Canaan. When he arrives, God appears to him again and confirms that this land will belong to his descendants. Abraham builds altars and worships the Lord, showing his faith and gratitude. But a famine strikes. Abraham goes down to Egypt, where out of fear he lies and says Sarai is his sister. Despite this misstep, God protects Sarai and intervenes, showing that even when we fall short, his promises remain true. This chapter marks the beginning of God's covenant relationship with Abraham, a story that sets the foundation for the rest of the Bible.